Ipatuyed na panunumpa ng katapatan sa Watawat ng Pilipinas, may call-in Scout Bonifacio Mediana. To be followed by the Cub Scout promise by Scout BJ Lantixe.
Scout side. Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinaservisan na may dangal katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sabayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Manda! Scout side. The Cub Scout promise. I promise to do my best. To love God and the country. And do a good turn. Every day. And to obey the Cub Scout law. The Cub Scout law. The Cub Scout follow his elders. The Cub Scout makes himself useful. The Cub Scout helps. Bala!
For the dedication of the Scout Oath and Law by Scout Ian Lagalan, to be followed by the mission and vision of the DSP by Scout James Vincent Maata.
Nel, ibelis mo ka ba, Nel?
Dito ka, Jud.
Yun, tumakbo ka.
Tagalog yan, Tagalog. Tumakbo.
Scout side. On my honor, I will do my best to do in duty to God and my country, and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. Scout law. A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. Manda! Boy Scout of the Philippines. Vision for youth and preparing the young to become agents of change in communities guided by the Scout Oath and Law. Mission to help the youth develop values and acquire competences to become responsible citizens and capable leaders, join and onto the Scout Oath and Law.